Hello guys, welcome to my channel once more. As you all know, my name is Banaken Guillaume. Today I want us to practice what we call in cybersecurity steganography, which is the act of hiding information within other information or within data, making it difficult for people to see. That means that I want to take a picture like this one that is named banner.jpg, and then I am going to create a PDF document, and then I am going to hide that PDF document inside this picture, and then maybe I send it to somebody somewhere through his or her email. So what do we do? The first thing you must take note is that you have to look at the directory where this picture is found. This picture is found on our desktop. This is the desktop in Kali Linux here. So since the picture is on our desktop, therefore we also have to make sure that we create a file. The file we are going to create is going to be a PDF file. And when we create this PDF file, we also have to make sure that we put this PDF file on the desktop directory to ease our work. So what do? We have to navigate to the desktop directory before creating this PDF file. So how do I do it? I do a CD desktop. I hit enter. It has taken me to the desktop directory. So we are now in a desktop in Kali Linux where we are right now. So now I can create my file. So to create a file and write something inside. So I am going to create this file. For you to create this file, you do nano. I want to create a file called confidential.pdf. So the name of the file, or let's say I want to create a file called, let's say, secret file.pdf. So if I hit enter, it opens for me to write inside. So I write the information which I want to send to somebody, which will be this. Let's say this is for practice purposes only. Let's say this is the information you want to send to somebody. We want to send to somebody. After doing this, I take a Control X and then I take a yes, a Y for yes, and take enter. Our file has been created. If we want to be sure that we have created this file, we can do cut or we can do an ls. When you do ls, you see that you have created a file called secretfile.pdf. Now, let us also go to our directory or to our desktop. Now, this is our desktop here, like I said, and we have created a file. Now, this is the file here. The file name is secretfile.pdf. Now, it is time for us to take this file with this information inside and put inside this image. So what do? We go or we navigate to our desktop. Let me clear my screen to make my work neat. Now I go to my desktop, and the first thing I do, I am going to be using a platform which is called StackHide, or I am going to use a tool which is known as StackHide. So what do? I write step hide, and I do a embed because I want to embed something in a file, and I do dash cover file, and then I write the name of the image. When I say cover file here, what do I mean? I'm writing the name of the image, the cover file, that is the image in which we are going to send to somebody, and then behind that image, that PDF information or PDF file is going to be hidden inside. So I did cover file, I do cover file, and then I write the name of the image, which is banner.jpg, and then I do dash EF. E stands for embed and F stands for file. So now I want to put the name of the file in which I want to embed. I want to put the name of the file in which I want to hide behind this image called banner.jpg, or behind this picture. So the name of the file, as we created or as we all know, is secret file.pdf. And then after doing this, you hit enter. and then it asks for a passphrase. This is asking for a password. You can just put any password of your choice. In my case, I will just put like Kali. I hit enter. It asks me again that I should re-enter my passphrase. I write again Kali. I hit enter, and it tells me that embedding secret file in banner.jpg is done. We are done, my friends. We have successfully taken this PDF file and we have hidden it inside this image called banner.jpg. Now, we want to know if you are taking a file like this one and you are hiding it here. It means what you are doing is that you want that even if somebody takes this computer away from you and go somewhere, he will see this image, but he will not know that there is a PDF file that is hidden inside this image. So if you want to do this, you have to make sure that if this file is still existing somewhere in your laptop or in your operating system, you have to delete it. So let us check to see if this secret file.pdf is still somewhere. If I do an ls, since I am in the desktop directory, I do an ls, which means give me a list of everything that is found on the desktop. If I hit enter, it shows me that secret file still exists here. It also shows me that banner.jpg is here, and then what we have to do now is that we have to remove this file from here so that somebody taking this machine from us will not know that this file exists, except if he is being told that there is a file behind this image. So now what I am going to do is I am going to remove this image from here. How do I remove this image? I do rm and I do secret file. RM stands for remove, and I do secret file.pdf and I hit enter. They say remove secret file.pdf, that there's no such directory. Or I made an error with the secret file here. I did not type it well. They say remove secret file.pdf. If I hit enter, it shows that, or it looks like nothing has happened. Now let us take an ls to see if this file is gone. Now look at it, my friends. We no longer have secret file.pdf down here. We have deleted that secret file. But we know that there is this secret file inside this banner.jpg. There is a secret file there. Now, after doing this, now you may want to consider sending this file to somebody. This means that this banner here now, right now, there is information in it. Why are we studying this? Because there is a type of malware which is known as a Trojan horse, in which an attacker or in which the bad guys could send you an image like this one, but hidden behind this image, there is a malicious code which he has put so that when you download this image on your operating system, it starts causing havoc. That is why we are studying steganography. That is why we want to make sure we know this thing, so that even if you are found at home and you want to send information to a colleague who is found in another town, you can conceal that information or you can hide that information inside an image like this, and then you send to the person. But take note, the passphrase which you use, you have to send it to that person, because if you don't send that passphrase, he or she will not be able to get this information, or he will not be able to extract the information which is hidden behind this banner.jpg. So now that we have gotten this, I am going to clear my screen, and the next thing we are going to be doing now is that we are going to extract the information that is found inside this image. We are going to extract that secret file.jpg and read the information that is found inside, that we created inside. So what do? Let me clear my screen again. We are still in the desktop directory. Now, what I do is, since I used stake hide, the tool called stake hide, to hide this information, the person that is downloading or that is receiving this information is going to use stake hide to extract that information. So if I do stake hide, Now that we are extracting this file, I do extract, I do a dash SF, and I now type the name of the picture here, which in our case is banner dot jpg, and I hit enter. It asks now for the passphrase. What is the passphrase? If I write a passphrase here, which is not the same that I used in embedding this file on this picture, it is not going to happen. It will not go. So what was that password? It was Kali. I write Kali and I hit enter. It says wrote extracted data to secret file.pdf. My friends, take note. Remember that we had initially deleted this secret file.pdf. Now look at the magic now. I am going to hit an ls since we are in the desktop directory, and then you are going to discover that this secret file.pdf is back. Let me do ls. Give me a list of the things that I found in the desktop. I hit enter. Look at it here. It's not magic. It's happening. This is a secret file. Now that you have this secret file on your operating system, it is time to gather or to get the information that is concealed inside this secret file. It is very simple. What you do is you do cat and then you type the name of the file, which in our case is secret file.pdf, and you hit enter. That is it, my friend. This is for practice purposes only. That is the information which we initially created this file and hid this information inside. We have been able to retrieve or to extract this information. This is how you are supposed to operate. This is also how attackers always send information, and concealed in that information or in that file is malware. So let us be aware of the type of files we download in our operating system. And this is all I had to share with you. And if you have questions, don't forget to ask. Do not forget to like, comment, and also share. Thank you and have a wonderful day.